Hello, negotiators. I will take your 4 minutes to share my perspective and experience on how to add value to any product or services and how I achieved it in past. So, value add is something we see in the consumer world all the time. When a telecom company add Netflix on FOC basis with 1 year subscription on purchasing of a new SIM connection. Procurement department can do the same thing, including provisions in contract with supplier that offer value add, saving your money. When you invest in that new piece of equipment so you can increase production, procurement could include a clause that says the vendor will also include installation or maintenance services free of charge. Without the value add, you would have to pay for installation and service cost anyways. So there is instant saving that are not necessarily seen on the balance sheet in finance department. I would love to share with you a decent example of negotiation on sale program wherein I procured 500 quantity of Royal Enfield bullets to give our sales partner, right? Initially I sent RFQ to respect constitutional sales manager in Royal Enfield who quoted me final price with some percentage of discount. Shortly I came back to him, asked for some more discount, but his company policy are not allowing him to offer more discount to my company. I had conversation with him and asked to provide some consumable item like helmet, and somehow he offered me to provide one helmet for one bullet bike with my company logo branding. That's very interesting thing to my achievement. So this is how I did not only deliver the best discounted rates to my company but also added the value as customer safety of my company and free marketing of my company brand as well, which is more than cost saving and money saving. So the cost of 500 numbers of helmets is 5 lakhs, which considered as cost avoidance, and printing company logo of helmet considered as value add. So this is my perspective and experience on adding value to the project. What is yours? If you are also procurement expert, then I would love to see your comment in below section about your experience on value add. Thanks for listening me. I will meet you again. Thank you so much.